If you are struggling with your credit score for a long time, I have the best solution for you in my hand. This ebook costs $49, but I am giving it to you for free. It's a limited time offer. Download now and solve your credit problems. I have put the link in the video description.
So let me guess. You did everything you were supposed to. You spotted the weird activity, called the banks, filed a police report, and even have an official-looking FTC affidavit. You checked all the right boxes. So why is your credit report still a complete disaster and your score sitting in the basement? If you're feeling stuck because the first steps didn't magically fix everything, you found the right video. We're not talking about the initial panic. We're talking about the real, long-term cleanup. Okay, before you can rebuild, you have to prove that debt isn't yours. That FTC report from identitytheft.gov and your police report are your golden tickets here. You're going to be sending copies to the credit bureaus. First, pull fresh copies of your credit reports from all three bureaus. That's Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. You can get them for free. Go through them with a highlighter and mark every single account, inquiry, and collection that has nothing to do with you. Next, you need to formally dispute these mistakes with each bureau. And while you can do it online, for something as serious as identity theft, I'm a big fan of sending your dispute by certified mail. Why? It creates a legal paper trail that's tough to ignore. Write a letter listing every fraudulent item and make it crystal clear that you're an identity theft victim. Toss in copies of your ID, the police report, and your FTC report. The bureaus usually have 30 days to investigate and get that junk off your report. Once the bureaus finally confirm the fake accounts are gone, your score won't just snap back overnight. It often takes a few months, but now you can actually start rebuilding. From here on out, it really comes down to two simple things: paying your bills on time and keeping your credit card balances low. First, make sure every single one of your real accounts is in great shape. Seriously, set up automatic payments so you never miss a due date. Your payment history is the biggest piece of your credit score puzzle. Second, keep an eye on your credit utilization. That's just a fancy term for how much of your available credit you're using. Try to keep your balances as low as you possibly can on your legitimate credit cards. The general rule is to stay below 30%, but honestly, the lower, the better. The last part of this is all about patience and just keeping your eyes open. Your score will creep back up as you build more positive history, but you're not quite done. You need to check your credit reports regularly to make sure those bogus accounts don't try to pull a zombie move and reappear. For extra protection, you can place a fraud alert or a credit freeze on your reports. A fraud alert tells lenders they need to double-check that it's really you before opening a new account. A credit freeze is more hardcore. It blocks most access to your report, so no new accounts can be opened, period. Both are free and can save you a massive headache down the road. Look, bouncing back from identity theft is a marathon, not a sprint. You've already made it through the initial shock, and now you have the playbook to methodically clean up the mess and rebuild. Just focus on the dispute process, keep up the good habits on your real accounts, and monitor everything. You absolutely can and will get your financial life back on track.